Hey guys, so today I have brand new product that I've been really enjoying for the last several months. Meet Insta360 X4 Air, and yes, this is 8K resolution 360 degree camera from the best 360 degree camera maker out there, Insta360. And what I have here is the starter bundle. So what I love about Insta360 X4 Air 8K 360 degree action camera starter bundle is that it has everything. So the beautiful camera is here with the massive display that looks actually really good during the broad daylight. This is a white one, but the black one also looks super beautiful. And one thing you notice is how light this is. And this is a matching with the rubbery grip. And what's even more amazing is that it has one battery that's already within the camera, but it comes with additional battery. So you have that extra juice. You can always change and then also put in another battery. Make sure it's fully secure, then you're waterproof as well. USB charger C goes in here. And in this accessory box, there are like usual manual, Type-C to Type-C, cloth, and a nice bag. Bag that you can actually put in if you want. But I personally like the rubber cap, just sort of smaller. You might wonder what this is. This is the cleaning sticker for your speaker. So everything that you need is here. All I'm taking is this cap, ready to go. So to really help you guys make the right decision for a 360 degree camera, my focus on this video will be Insta360 X4 Air, but I'm also going to compare this X4 Air against X5, so this one, so that you make the right decision on 360 degree camera. So the first thing that I noticed is that Air of course comes in the black color as well, so don't be afraid to go for a different choice of color. So Air, being the name Air, it seems smaller than X5, and also X4 Air is much lighter as well. I'm gonna have the exact gram like written up here. So X5 is like more heavy duty 360 degree camera, whereas X4 Air is like sort of light, even more travel friendly, although I think both are really super travel friendly. And the most important information that you want to know is the price. So I'm gonna have the starting price point up here written. But the great news is that right now Insta360 is having a big spring sale promotion. So the first 10 orders that you use the link down below will get 25% off. That is like the biggest discount that you will see anywhere. So after watching this video, don't forget to click the link down below for a great spring sale promotion. And also, if you're early on in the promotion, you will get the free replacement lens kit because they are replaceable. So yeah, you will be really safe with your 360 degree camera. So don't miss out the spring sale. Now let's get going and compare X4 Air against X5. Let's first enjoy the 8K resolution of X4 Air. I love how the 360 degree camera can capture so much, actually every angle of your surrounding. Even against the sunlight, the performance of X4 Air is great. And now let me show you the exact location with X5. X5 of course performs beautifully with a bigger sensor size. I do prefer the video quality of X5, but let me also show you side-by-side comparison of X4 Air and X5. Especially if you're looking to upload on social media and so on, then X4 Air performance is definitely more than enough. And the performance under the indoor environment, rather dark, is really good for X4 Air. with 360-degree video. If you guys want to do a bit of slow motion, then at 6K resolution, you can enjoy 50 frames per second. And the great thing about Insta360 X4 Air, just like all the other standalone Insta360 camera, it is waterproof. So I'm not afraid to dip it in the sea and put it near the water. So Insta360 X4 Air, it is up to 15 meters waterproof. So the camera is all safe, just don't forget to rinse with water after the use at the sea. And I can really see this camera being used heavily during summertime by the seaside. With invisible stick, you could actually get really creative. Just stick it into the sand like what I did, and you got yourself a tripod without having a tripod. So this is the maximum that I could go, otherwise it topples. And here I'm going to go for time lapse. So you get 360, 2 seconds. Let's go. One feature that I really enjoy using with 360-degree camera is the single lens mode. So you kind of get two cameras in one. You can take 360-degree videos as well as the flat 4K video, just like any other action cameras out there. So while you're filming, you can flip the camera, so front and then back, all while you're filming. And while you're filming, you can even take a photo. And have you noticed that the focus on my face is picked up really well? So Insta360 X4 Air being lighter and also cheaper, but it does not mean that it's lacking all the technology that you want in an Insta360 360-degree camera. It actually enjoys so many of those features. So one thing that I really want to show you is how easy it is to start this camera. So imagine you're snowboarding, skiing, you're doing some other extreme sports. You want to start this camera as soon as possible to start taking the video or picture, then you can do so. There are 3 ways in which you can control this camera. First is gesture control. So I just need to give myself palm up and immediately started recording. I think you can see the red light, recording light, and I'm just gonna give myself another palm up. And yeah, it stopped recording. And with gesture control, if you give yourself a little V sign, then you can take a photo as well. So let me turn off the gesture control so I show you the voice control as well. Take a photo. Yeah. And let me actually stand pretty far, but it's a little bit hard to show you. Stop recording. Stop recording. So yeah, even if you're standing a little bit far, you can still start and stop recording. Okay, just started recording. Stop recording. So you can have different languages, English, Chinese, Japanese, and take a photo, stop recording, mark that, shut down camera. So another really fun way is twist and shoot. 1, 2, and it started recording. So to start recording, twist twice. And also if you want to stop recording, twist twice as well. So you can hold this stick out as far as possible and still control it hands-free. And with Insta360 cameras nowadays, it does boast voice enhancement. So here I'm actually gonna really test out because you know the tape behind me, it's rather noisy with the wind. And also there's definitely enough traffic going by the bridge. So in the audio setting, I usually have the auto wind noise reduction strong, and you can have it down to weak. If you want the sound from the entire surrounding, then you can even have stereo. I'm getting the sound directly from X4 Air. So weak noise reduction, weak one. This is a weak noise reduction here. What do you think? This is a strong noise reduction, voice enhancement. So let me just walk towards this tape because this tape is definitely very noisy. So yeah. So can you hear that voice is enhanced in this way? But even after you film something, you want to reduce the noise, then you can do so in Insta360 Studio. I think the sound is pretty decent. And inside Insta360 Studio or inside 360 app, you can really enjoy the tracking mode, which automatically tracks the subject, and the feature works really well. Now the spring is on the way, so you might want to actually get out more and also capture those moments, those action moments with your 360-degree camera. Then why not check out the link down below for the brilliant spring sale? You really get great discount, great promotion. So don't forget to check out the link down below, and I'll be back with other interesting gadget reviews. So see you!